To find the solution of this rational equation, since both sides are rational, we can just cross-multiply them. So let us answer the example number 1. Just do cross multiplication. So 2x times 5. Let's just write 2x then times 5. So we are using parentheses to show multiplication. Then on the other side, let us multiply this to 3 times 3x plus 2. So 3 times 3x plus 2. Then simplify. Multiply this to 2x times 5. So 2 times 5, that will be 10. Then we'll just copy the variable x. And on the other side, we will multiply 3 to 3x and to positive 2. So 3 times 3x, that's 9x. And 3 times 2, that's positive 6. After that, since we are solving for the variable x, and we still have a variable here, we need to transpose these to the other side and combine it with 10. So let us copy 10x. Then transpose positive 9 to this side. And remember that when you are transposing a term to the other side of the equal sign, you have to change it to its opposite sign. So this is positive 9x. When you write it on the other side, it will become negative 9x. Then equals positive 6. Then combine this to 10x minus 9x. That will be x because 10 minus 9 is 1. We are not writing 1x. We'll only write x. Then equals, ang natitira na lang sa kabila ay 6. So the answer is x equals 6. Let's try it to the second example. So again, to solve for this rational equation, just do cross multiplication. So let us cross multiply 5 times x plus 5. Let us write it below. Let us write here 5 times x plus 5. Then the other one is 1 times 3x minus 7. Let's write 1 times 3x minus 7. Let us now solve. Just distribute 5 times x and 5 times 5. So 5 times x, that's 5x. And 5 times 5, that's positive 25. Then on this side, 1 times 3x and 1 times negative 7. So 1 times 3x, that's 3x. And 1 times negative 7, that's negative 7. Okay, so now let us combine like terms. Since we have 5x here and 3x on this side, we need to transpose it to the other side. Same with positive 25. We need to combine it with negative 7. So pinagsasama natin yung parehas may x at saka yung parehas constant. So let's do this. Copy 5x. Then transpose positive 3 on this side. So positive 3 will change sign into negative 3x. Equals, just copy negative 7 and transpose positive 25 on this side. So positive 25 will change sign into negative 25. Again, so what we did here, we transpose 3x, it became negative 3x. Then we transpose also positive 25 and it became negative 25 on the other side. Now we may combine them. 5x minus 3x, that will be 2x because 5 minus 3 is 2. We just copy the variable x. Then negative 7 minus 25, since both of them are negative, we need to add them. 7 plus 25, that's 32. And copy the negative sign. Now we have 2x equals negative 32. And since we are solving for x, we need to cancel 2. And to do that, we just need to divide both sides by 2. Because that's what we need to cancel. So divide both sides by 2. Cancel. Now we only have x on this side. And then negative 32 divided by 2. So may isang negative, it means negative yung answer natin. And 32 divided by 2, that is equal to 16. So the answer is x is equal to negative 16. Now, I want you to try this one. solve for the value of x or the solution of this rational expression and type in your answer in the comment section below. Let's see if you got it correctly.